Welcome to Mark's British Airways Fleet Update, looking at short and long-haul fleets.
It's time once again for the British Airways Fleet Update here on Mark's Trains, Planes and Trams. We'll be looking at all the latest developments across the short and long-haul fleets, including the CityFlyer and Euroflyer subsidiaries. Make sure you like this video and drop us your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and click for notifications. Now, let's get going with this week's update.
Welcome to the British Airways Fleet Update, short and long haul across the BA subsidiary as well. Simple headlines this week. We got to a point of 3 Airbus A380s out in Manila. Lots of maintenance moves we'll cover, and we also have a update on the 787 fleet with lots of happenings going on there. The Airbus fleet Gatwick will come up in just a moment, but first of all, the Embraer 190s in CityFlyer. Lima Charlie Yankee Papa, Lima Charlie Alpha Charlie, both down at Exeter. Lima Charlie Yankee Romeo overnighted at Glasgow. Its flight to London City 8739 cancelled. It flew empty back as the 9760 on the 19th of February. A couple of Florence diversions to Pisa there, both on the 19th of February, for you to have a look at. Aircraft on the London City Belfast route came back empty on the 20th of February, and a diversion from Berlin late at night, too late for the London City curfew. The aircraft didn't divert to Southend, didn't divert to Stansted, actually went to Luton, which is relatively unusual. Overnight at Luton, back the next morning empty as the 976 to London City. The Euroflyer fleet then at Gatwick, X-ray uniform, Echo uniform X-ray Golf remains over at Malta, Echo uniform X-ray on hire back to its original home at London Heathrow, Echo uniform Yankee at Glasgow for maintenance. Golf Alpha Tango Kilo involved in a bit of a shenanigans over in North Africa, flew out to Morocco to Agadir, diverted to Casablanca, 5 hours on the ground, flew across to Agadir, but too late for the crew to come back within their hours, overnight there and then back the next morning, or with a delayed flight from the previous day, the BA 2809, and a Heathrow maintenance move for Golf Alpha Tango Mike 45. The Airbus short-haul fleet out of Heathrow, BEA liveried Retrojet Papa Juliet still in Malta. A couple of other aircraft have swapped over. Echo uniform Yankee Whiskey returned from Malta on the 18th of Feb. The flight crew taking out Echo uniform Yankee X-ray to replace it. Echo uniform Yankee Mike came back from Dublin. Echo uniform Yankee Sierra also involved with flights from Dublin, but a return flight cancelled, and BA 9272 was used to bring that back 2 days later. Echo uniform Yankee November in Madrid for maintenance, and Echo uniform Yankee Golf stranded over in Arome Fumig for a couple of days. Echo uniform Foxtrot remains at Glasgow. Echo uniform Yankee November in Madrid, and also going to Malta, Airbus A319, Echo uniform Papa Golf, which is one of the Airbus fleet originally slated for withdrawal. We'll talk about that in just a moment, but that was on the 19th of Feb, BA 9271. Tango November Echo Hotel A321 Neo under maintenance at Heathrow. November Echo Oscar Zulu out to Bologna, and couldn't come back. Technical issues, 4 days on the ground over in Italy. Tango Oscar Echo out to Glasgow for maintenance, and that's still there. Flew up on the 16th of Feb. Just a reminder of those new aircraft on their way, and we talked about some aircraft being reprieved. So 3 Airbus A319s have gone to Malta and back, or are still over there, and they're getting life extension work, and that leaves 3 Airbus 319s, Oscar Golf, Papa Kilo, Papa Delta, and the other aircraft that were highlighted about this time last year have in fact been with long haul fleet now. The Airbus A350s, X-Ray Whiskey Bravo Echo, out of use on the ground with maintenance work at Abu Dhabi since the 23rd of Jan. Bravo Foxtrot Bravo Romeo at Heathrow, out of use, expect back soon. On the Airbus A380 fleet, Echo Echo remains in Manila, and Echo Kilo has come back, and I've got some video footage of Echo Kilo departing and Echo Lima arriving. We'll have a look at that as I talk about the Airbus A350 fleet. But that, of course, was why BA slimmed down its schedule with the Los Angeles flight, the 269 and the 268 going 777 for a week, and BA did actually get its A380 Echo Kilo back in time to avoid that. So an interesting little move, and of course pretty peculiar to have 3 of the BA fleet out in Manila simultaneously. Who's on refresh, BA still pushing the fleet quite hard, and although the Los Angeles flights went 777, they did struggle even then with the rest of the fleet. BA 207 to Miami on the 19th of Feb cancelled, and although they planned to operate San Francisco on the 21st of Feb, it was delayed, and passengers were loaded up and eventually deplaned, and that 285 was cancelled as well. A380 interior layouts become clear. We're expecting 110 seats when refreshed on the top deck in club class, 12 first beneath, 84 World Traveller Plus, and 215 Traveller. On the 777 fleet, Victor India uniform, Gatwick fleet is down at BA maintenance in Cardiff, Sierra Tango Bravo Echo in Taipei, Yankee Mike India at Heathrow for maintenance, Yankee Mike Juliet on loan from Heathrow across on the Gatwick fleet ran into a bit of difficulty at Orlando that I've documented there. Similarly, Victor India Foxtrot, some problems at Newark, and an Accra flight, Victor India Oscar, as well with the Gatwick fleet. Yankee Mike Tango out of use on the ground at Heathrow. 787s, the return of Juliet Mike has happened as predicted last time. Juliet Kilo remains the last of the 787s for Club Suites fitment. Expect to see that back in the next couple of weeks. Juliet Delta out in Spain for its repaint, and Kilo Romeo 7879 has flown down to Cardiff on the 17th of February, BA 9172. We're not clear if that's gone down for Club Suites fitment, which is certainly likely and possible, or whether it's just a smaller bit of maintenance. We'll find out, I guess, shortly. It would make sense if it's Club Suites fitment, but it's obviously not the way they did the 7878s, because they went in something that was as close as you could get to alphabetical order, but maybe it makes sense to send that aircraft down. We'll find out soon. That's the 787s, and the stopped aircraft, 21.4% of the fleet, 9 aircraft, 5 787-8s very much disproportionately represented, 2 of the stroke 9s and 2 of the stroke 10s. We've talked about some of those, and some of those aircraft have been on this list for a very, very long time, almost becoming a permanent. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the video if you find your way to do that. Engaging with a comment, that's great as well. Flyer Talk has lots of hints and tips, information and pointers for more research for me. Do check out Flyer Talk if you can. I'll catch you here again on Mark's Trains, Planes and Trams for another video very soon. And until then, take care.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification button so you don't miss any of the great trips Mark has coming your way on this YouTube channel.